Hey, what's going on, guys? A couple weeks ago, I had a post on Instagram that got an insane amount of love. I'm talking over 100,000 accounts saw the post in less than 24 hours, and I had hundreds of DMs coming in, all based on a cleaning technique that I've been using for years. First, you're going to want to take your pre-scrub and get it onto a flat surface, like a plate. I feel this method is more effective than applying directly to the brush because you're not going to waste as much product. There are several companies out here fighting for your business. Jason Mark, Rejuvenator, Crep Protect are just a few of the companies that offer a pre-scrub style product. I happen to make my own solution using water, soap, and essential oils, but in my opinion, I believe these companies are all selling a similar formula at different price points, all offering the same results. I've seen prices start at $15 and work its way up to $30 to $40 a bottle. As you begin to work the soles with the pre-scrub, really use some elbow grease. Do not be afraid to put some muscle into it. You're going to remove 80 to 90% of your grime this way. Once you start to see all those soap suds and foam, you know you're really cooking and removing that grime. Take a damp cloth and remove any excess dirt foam. You don't want that getting up to the uppers or priming it and giving you something else to clean. So anytime you get any of that excess foam from scrubbing and cooking, simply remove that and wipe it clean. You're just going to repeat the process here. Scrub, wipe clean, scrub, wipe clean. Currently, this is the only pair of Yeezys in my rotation. I've probably worn them 20 to 25 times, but I clean them after every wear, every other wear. Some people are going to say, why don't you do the shoe guards or put those 3M clear protects? I'm just not into all that shit. I know these are going to get dirty and get stomped, but there's something about just keeping them clean that I like. It's not too hard to do. The last step in my cleaning process is the magic eraser. Magic erasers are sort of expensive. I even rip them into pieces when I use them. I don't start with the magic erasers. I use the pre-scrub to get 90% of my grime off, and I finish with the magic erasers just because they are so expensive and you burn through them really, really quickly. At this point, the magic erasers are disintegrating at a high rate of speed. Simply wipe away the debris and get those last bits of dirt and grime off your shoes. I wait to the last step to use the magic erasers because I don't want to use $3, $4, $5 worth of product each and every time I clean my shoes. This cleaning method will help keep your kicks cleaner much longer and will definitely help on your overall resale value. There was a couple month gap from the time I started filming and editing the video till I was able to finish editing and upload it, and in that time I actually had sold these Yeezys for $500 at SneakerCon Las Vegas, but before that I got to enjoy them and wear them probably 25, 30 times and then still sell them for more than double what I paid. Thank you for all the support and thanks for everyone that tuned in.